Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Kraken's mobile app for trading. So first of all, go ahead and search for Kraken Pro. Right? Make sure that you download the app or update the app to the latest version. Now open the Kraken Pro and confirm via facial recognition. Okay? And basically the Kraken app is simpler and beginner friendly, while Kraken Pro is designed for more experienced traders. Log in, right? And after you log in, fund your account. Okay, you can go ahead to your crypto. Let's say, for example, I want to let's go and buy crypto. Let's say I want to go to my portfolio, right? And then deposit. I'm gonna deposit, and let's say for example I want to deposit Bitcoin, right? I'm gonna go ahead and just go and read the instructions, right? And click I understand and scan the QR code from the website, so you can, or from the address that you're using to add. If you're transferring from one wallet to another wallet, you can just go ahead and move along and click I understand, and then scan QR code or copy the address and paste it to another crypto website. And that way you're gonna be able to deposit the crypto, right? Next, select a market. Okay, you can select the market that you can select the market for crypto to initiate your first buying or selling order, right? Choose a cryptocurrency to work with, right? And the app will display popular pairs, or you can search for others by going back right here and not here. Click the search at the top and just type Doge, for example. Okay, and you can select the Doge and you're gonna see the chart. Okay, and then if you want, and if you are capable and have experience in Kraken Pro, just go ahead and initiate your buying or selling order, right? Let's have an example. I want to let me select right here crypto, and I'm gonna transfer the amount of Bitcoin to Doge so I can initiate the buying process, right? I could go ahead and buy and set my limit order, right? If I want it to be limit or market, or if I want to buy a spot or margin, that depends on you basically. And you can go ahead and monitor your trade. You're gonna be able right here to see the chart for Bitcoin. I bought Bitcoin fairly like a couple months ago, and now I'm watching the new update. I can watch the chart from here, or I can just see the new price from my portfolio. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.